Huawei MatePad 11.5 2026 is now officially unveiled, and it comes with a high-quality display, AI features, and a big battery boost. It is using the Kirin T82B chipset. There is an 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. This tablet supports an IPS LCD touchscreen display with 11.5 inches screen size, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, 2.5K resolution, 600 nits peak brightness. These specifications ensure a high quality user experience. Its rear side consisting of 13 megapixel camera, supporting full HD video recording, and an 8 megapixel lens on the front to capture selfies and conduct video calls. Battery 10,100 mAh, offering around 14 hours of video playback time. This large screen device consists of 4 stereo speakers and 2 microphones, while the sound is tuned by Huawei Assistant. The tablet runs HarmonyOS 5.1 with new AI features such as AI Translate, Note application, Drawing, and Voice Assistant. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.